A potential breakthrough in the U.S.-China trade war is on the horizon, with a framework for a deal agreed upon by both nations. This news comes ahead of the highly anticipated meeting between President Trump and President Xi Jinping, scheduled for Thursday in South Korea. The U.S. Trade Secretary, Scott Bessent, revealed to CBS that the framework includes a final agreement on TikTok's U.S. operations and a deferral on China's rare earth minerals controls. He expressed confidence that the 100% tariff threat on Chinese goods would not materialize, while China has agreed to resume substantial soybean purchases from the U.S. But here's where it gets controversial. Trump had previously threatened to impose a 100% tariff on Chinese goods if China did not ease its restrictions on rare earths exports. These materials are crucial for various electronic products, and China's dominance in their processing gives them significant leverage in trade negotiations. China has agreed to delay its tightened controls on rare earths for a year, a move that could significantly impact the global supply chain and U.S. manufacturing. This concession is a key part of the framework, and it remains to be seen how it will be received by those who advocate for a tougher stance on China. Another contentious issue is soybeans. China, the world's largest buyer of soybeans, halted all orders as the trade war intensified, causing significant harm to U.S. farmers. Bessent hinted that the boycott may soon be lifted, offering hope to American farmers who have borne the brunt of the trade war. In addition to these economic considerations, there's the matter of TikTok. The U.S. has been pushing to separate the app's U.S. operations from its Chinese parent company, ByteDance, citing national security concerns. TikTok was facing a potential shutdown, but Trump's decision to delay the ban multiple times has allowed for negotiations to continue. Bessent confirmed that a deal has been reached on TikTok's U.S. arm, leaving the final transaction for Trump and Xi to seal on Thursday. This development has raised questions about the future of data privacy and the role of Chinese tech companies in the U.S. market. As the world watches with bated breath, the outcome of these negotiations could shape the future of global trade and the relationship between the world's two largest economies. Will this framework lead to a lasting peace, or will it merely be a temporary truce? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the stakes are high and the consequences will be far-reaching. What are your thoughts on this potential deal? Do you think it's a step towards resolving the trade war, or is it merely a band-aid solution? Share your insights and predictions in the comments below.